Hello, if you love soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies the way I like it, you're in luck because this recipe will please you just the way you like it. So good. Let's start making them. First, oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. It takes just about a minute. Let's make our cookie dough. 1/4 cup of canola or vegetable oil, then the 4 tablespoons of butter we just melted. Just 1 tablespoon of milk will help the cookies spread out beautifully. Next, 1 egg, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2/3 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix for just about 20 seconds. We then add in 1½ cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix on medium speed for just about 20 to 30 seconds. Now is the good stuff, 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, which is half of a bag. Mix up with a spatula and our dough is ready. This cookie sheet is an insulated 2-layer sheet that specifically designed to correct the issue with cookies getting burnt or too cooked in the bottom. It's been with me for over 10 years now. You can find it on Amazon. I have the link to it in the written recipe. I'm using number 40 cookie scoop that makes medium-sized cookie, which is about 2½ to 3 inches. Now we bake for 10 to 12 minutes, depends on your oven, but we want to bake to slightly undercooked or barely cooked. With my oven it takes about 10½ minutes. So for your first try, I suggest you want to try 11 minutes and see how it turns out. Beautiful! Now we want to leave them there for a few minutes before removing them to a cooling rack. If you like soft cookies, eat when they're still slightly warm. To enjoy both soft and chewy, wait for them to completely cool down, or better yet, the next day. Yes, next day is actually the best, or at least in my opinion. They won't last until the next day though. Anyhow, I hope you like this recipe. Let me know if you have any question. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.